All right, what up, guys? Thanks for voting on the poll, and as requested, I am going to show you guys my trade and office, right? So, pay attention. You might see some stuff you like, you might see some stuff you don't like, right? So, here it goes. So, first things first, let me start you off with this plant right here. I like plants, so I got a plant, right? We also have this painting here from Page Arts, good friend of mine's. Some crystals, some lavender, and basically this here is my work section, right? This is where I would take notes, this is where I would read a book, this is where I would mastermind, right? Then we have some wipes, keep the place clean. We have my notebooks, also my journal, my calendar, some other stuff right there. And then we have some business books, personal development, leadership, mindset, just some amazing books, right? These are basically, my goal to finish before the end of the year. I'm going to try to at least finish one book every 2 weeks, basically. Some of them I've already read. I just have them here to remind me, that I need to be reading, right? Next, we have my monitor screen. This is where I would look at the charts. This is where I would basically analyze the charts, place trades, hop on the go live schedules, whatever I have scheduled for today, and it's always good to have two screens, to be honest, right? If you do the same thing I do, then you probably understand why. It simply just makes it more effective. In addition to that, my little pens and stuff to write stuff down. I have a lighter there to light candles. I have candles here sometimes. Headphones, right? These are connected, right? So if I could move whatever I'm using onto the next screen. This is, another MacBook. This MacBook usually stays here. This MacBook is more for traveling and whatnot, right? More mobile. This is a stone. I forget what they call it, but I got that on the beach. As well as more plants. You gotta love plants, gotta love oxygen. And then whiteboard, right? The whiteboard is pretty clean right now because the week has just started. Simple chair, right? Simple chair. And in addition to that, the desk is also a standing desk, so I could press a button and, have the desk rise so that I could stand, right? So a few questions I could answer for you guys would be, was this effective? Did this make me more productive? 100%, because before, I used to do all my business on my iPhone from bed in my room. And then I got, a regular laptop, but decided to upgrade to the Mac because it just makes things much more easier. And whatever you're doing in life, you just want to make it more easier so that, you have more willpower to do it, as well as a monitor screen, as well as this desk. They're all pretty much worth the investment, but you do have to work your way up towards it, right? So the MacBook was probably $1,200. The monitor was probably $200 or $300. The desk was probably $700 to $800. And the other MacBook was like $12, right? By the end of the day, all of these, this is just me investing in my business to make it much more easier. Oh, let's not forget, the painting, whatever, right? So, I definitely encourage you guys to build your office as well, and, this is probably not going to be the only office, but it is definitely worth it, right? It's definitely worth it. And it goes well with whatever routine, you might have, right? So best of luck to you guys. Like, subscribe. If I do post this on YouTube, who knows where I'm going to post it, right? And have a good day.